As a brokerage owner, team leader, you have a tech stack now, right? All of us have a tech stack of some kind. That's the technology we're providing to our agents and our agent teams to help them operate in the local market. So, question mark for you as a brokerage owner, team leader, are you eating your own dog food? And what do I mean by that? I mean, do you know how to use your tech stack front to top, side to side? You know everything there's to know about it. And most importantly, what we mean by eating your own dog food, are you using your own tech stack every single day? All the bells and whistles you're fully engaged with, so that your agent team sees that, oh, Jim's doing this today. He's texting out of it. He's video texting. He's doing some social media out of this thing. He's using the drip campaigns. He's totally engaged in the CRM. When they see you doing it, they're going to follow the leader. You got to lead from the front, guys. You got to use your own tech stack front to bottom, right? You got to understand it. Now, you might say, I don't understand it. How do you understand it? You got to dive in. That means you got to be using it every day. You're going to attend all the trainings. You're going to go on that help. You're going to walk yourself through all those tutorials. You're going to learn it because you are probably spending maybe tens of thousands of dollars on your tech stack. And if you're not using it, your agents aren't going to either. You want to know why you have a low adoption rate on your technology? It's because you're not using your own technology. You can't say to your agents, hey, use the technology, and you're not. You have a 10% adoption rate and 90% aren't using it. It's because you're not using it. You've got to lead from the front. And at every office meeting, every team meeting that you're having, you're going to bring up some cool facet of it, bring it up on the screen and say, here's how I use it, because you know it cold. Guys, if you want more training like this, you want to take your company to the next level with recruiting and coaching your own team, join us over at eRealEstateCoach.com. Sign up for Discovery Call for our recruiting and brokerage coaching. And you want to talk about recruiting on this side of the fence? When you know your tech stack cold, when you go into those recruiting meetings, you can talk about it and be excited about it. Agents are going to get excited about it. Here's what happens. You go to a recruiting meeting and you say, we have this, we got CRM. And the first thing out of their mouth is going to be, oh, we have CRM too. Oh, we have this tool. We got that tool. Oh, we got that tool too, as well. But what they will get excited about is when you say, yeah, but have you used this? Check this out. Check out what I did with this week. And they're like, oh, I didn't know. I don't think I can do that with my CRM. I don't think I can do that with our platforms. It's because you're excited and you're using the system. If you're just saying some blank system, they're going to say, yeah, we've got it too. And it becomes a non-issue. You've got to create value by showing off the bells and whistles. So, guys, if you want to sign up to be on a discovery call with me, we can talk about recruiting in your own local market. How you can start attracting experienced agents to your team. Join us over there. Sign up for a quick discovery call. It's going to be with me personally. So we're going to have a conversation about where you want to take your company in the next 12 months. I hope we talk soon. Have a great day. Good selling.